Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today we are making my DIY personalized sun hat. I've seen these custom embroidered sun hats everywhere and they're actually kind of expensive, even though it's like so easy to make your own at home. So I'm going to show you how to DIY it so you can make it say anything you want. We're doing a no-sew version, so it's so easy and they come out, you guys, how cute. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So you can do a little saying on it like I did, or you can make a whole bunch of them for a bachelorette party, or you can put someone's name on it and give it to them as a gift. But I wanna know, what would you guys put on your hat? Let me know down below in the comments. You could do like just married, or rosé all day, or do not disturb and like wear it at the beach. Let me know in the comments below. So you're just gonna need some black sequin trim, or you can also use ribbon. I got mine at Joann's craft store, but I will leave a link to where you can get some of this online also. And of course you're gonna need your sun hat. I got mine at the 99-cent store and seriously you can't even tell, it's really cute. Then you're gonna write your name or your phrase in pencil right across the brim of your hat. And you're gonna wanna write it in cursive so it makes it a lot easier to glue on the black trim, so you can kind of do it in one continuous piece. Then working in small sections, pretty much letter by letter, just take a hot glue gun and you're going to press on your sequin trim right in place, forming the words. And just continue on and repeat this process until all of your letters are covered in your black sequin trim. You can use ribbon or black cord or really any color you want. I just like to use the sequin because it's flat, and the little flat sequins just kind of make it easier to go around all the curves and edges of the letters. And you can go ahead and glue on any optional patches or decorations to make it look really fun and festive. You can add colors, whatever you like, really customize it to make it your own. And then you can go in with your glue gun and secure any little parts of the letters that weren't glued down. So for the finishing touch, just do a little dot of your glue at the back of the hat around the crown, and you're gonna wrap your black sequin trim all around just to create a finished look. And that was it, you guys. I told you this was so easy. So here it is, the finished product. You guys, how cute did this turn out? I seriously want to make these for like all my friends with different sayings on them. I love it. And if you guys give this a try, be sure to go follow me on social media at Lindsay and tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this project. And if you guys liked this idea, be sure to give the video a thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And then go check out my other DIYs, because if you liked this one, you're gonna love those too. So there you have my DIY no-sew embroidered sun hat. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Okay, so I know you've seen those super trendy hats all over Instagram with like the different names or the different sayings on them. So today's video, we're doing a DIY version for like $5. You can make it say anything you want. How cute, you guys. Shine on, babes.